Problem number 7 that you may find happen, whether you're early in treatment or later in treatment, is the wire begins to shift. This may happen as we get a couple weeks removed, and maybe even a couple of months removed from when I'm able to see you. What it's going to look like is this. If we take a look, you'll see on one side, if I can get my focus to come into play, is that the wire is moving along through to here. The wire pokes through a little bit to this point, but it does not fully engage this back bracket over here, that it stops in the middle. We compare it to the other side. You'll see that the wire sticks way out beyond the brackets. It should be stopping here, but instead it comes way out because the wire has shifted. This is going to be incredibly difficult to do with tweezers. You're not going to get enough grip on the wire. This is one where you really have to get into your toolbox if you've got a toolkit at home and use a pair of needle nose pliers. What you'll do is you will grab hold of the wire and you will begin to pull the wire and push the wire. Let's see if I can make sure you can see what I'm doing. You're going to grab hold of the wire in between a space and you're going to try to push the wire and slide it all the way through. You'll see that starting to move. Now, let's assume that that doesn't work for you. Let's assume you're unable to grab the wire and you're unable to pull. Then what you're going to do instead is, if you just give up and you can't do it, we're going to go back to one of our earlier examples of a problem. We're going to cut the wire short. Pull back out your handy nail clippers, or if you have wire cutters, even better. Get back into that spot right behind the very last tooth, as close as you can get it. Grab your wire cutters, and get back in behind and give it a snip. If for whatever reason that still is unable to work, the backup option you can always do is to go back to use some of that orthodontic wax that you have, or chewing gum if you don't have any orthodontic wax. Pack it around that very last back tooth. Cover up the problem so it's no longer giving you grief. My name is Dr. Michael Major. If these problems I'm really hopeful these videos have helped you out to address most of the problems that you're going to experience with your braces, and make sure you can do it in the safety of your own home. I look forward to seeing every single one of you again soon, back at the office when this entire crisis has passed. Cheers.